Ndewono, hello, no, welcome. My name is Ife Okiche, the owner of Preserve Our Heritage, where our goal is to help you to speak and to understand the Igbo language. Today I'd like to share 2 easy techniques that will help you to teach your kids the Igbo language. The first technique is repetition, repetition, repetition. By repeating the word, it helps them retain the information. The second technique is demonstration. Again, demonstration helps them to retain the information. Here's an example. Ono, mouth. Ono, mouth. Imi, nose. Imi, nose. Anya, eyes. Anya, eyes. Aka, hands. Aka, hands. Again, repetition, repetition, repetition. Demonstrate, demonstrate, demonstrate. For more updates like this, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.